super is coming on. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Fired Up Friday. Well, this right here is going to be a new little series that I do. It's going to be extremely raw, hardly any editing, but we're going to dive into what to do with your leftovers from the dinner the night before. Now, this right here is mostly leftovers from the last Fired Up Friday that I just filmed a couple of days ago that'll come out to you guys on Friday. But this morning, we're gonna take what ingredients I had left over and make a little something. Check this out. This right here is some jalapenos, some white onions, some bell peppers, a little bit of Italian parsley, and some chives that I had left over from the recipe, and also some pork tenderloin. All of these ingredients was used on the upcoming Fired Up Friday video. And let me tell you guys, it turned out to be one of the best recipes that I've ever cooked with pork tenderloin. So you definitely want to check that out Friday. It's gonna be a mouth watering worth a watch, I tell you that. So what we're gonna do with the leftovers is we're gonna make some breakfast tacos. And I actually put all of this to the side last night when I was filming because I knew I was gonna do this. Now, when you're off grid and you're very limited on refrigerator space, isn't important to utilize your leftovers. And as much as everything costs right now, you don't want to waste none of them groceries now. Come on. So all we're doing is sauteing this a little bit. We're just heating up the pork basically. Well, on my hibachi I use avocado oil. Sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Keep everything juicy. And just move it around. I try to cook organized. Everybody that follows my main channel, Come On Homesteading, knows that I'm very particular about being organized. And it even happens on my griddle. Oh, these are starting to smell amazing. Here in a second, we're gonna mix that and that together and let that kick off to the side and stay simmering while we do the eggs and the tortillas. Another cool thing about doing leftovers like this in the morning, literally 10 minutes, you got a fine breakfast. There we go. Now let's get the eggs on. One, two, three, and four. On the eggs, I'm just going to put a little bit of lemon pepper and a little garlic salt. Keep it simple. Now what we're going to do is mix them up. Once they get close, we'll mix everything in together. Now you can get a lot fancier with this, however you want to do it. If you want to add some milk and some other seasonings and stuff to your eggs, that's fine. But I'm mainly going off of all the chopped up vegetables and herbs that I have for the primary flavor of the eggs. You want to get it just about to this consistency right here where it's still a little bit of runny, and then start folding your stuff in. I'm gonna put a little more olive oil on there, or avocado oil. And we're gonna go ahead and toast up a couple of the tortillas. What I like to do is take the tortilla, wipe it down with the avocado oil on both sides real good. It makes it give it a real nice little crust when they're frying up. And I'm doing all of this with just my scraper for the hibachi. I'm not even using any kind of dishes at all. No dishes equals easy clean. Oh yeah. As you can see, I'm actually using disposable plates too, because washing dishes off grid is challenging. And there you have it, guys. Pork tenderloin with a whole bunch of herbs and peppers and eggs and some nice cooked to perfection tortillas. Now let's put it all together. All right, I'm gonna start by separating my tortillas a little bit. I like sour cream on my breakfast tacos or burritos in this case, because the shell is a little long. Just like that. And then we're going to take some of this. Woo. And for a little heat, because the ones that follow this channel know I like to keep things spicy. Woo. We're going to use some Louisiana this time. I typically like the tapatio or something like that. And there we go. All we got to do is grab it, tuck it, and fold it. And there you go. Let's give it a try. The flavor on that is insane. And it only took me maybe about 5 minutes to make. 5-10 minutes most. That's including cleanup. So I hope you like this new little short series called Makeovers in a Moment. I'm gonna get to eat until we see each other again, guys. Come on, fire it up.